Para si Maray, gali na.
As of 12 p.m. this afternoon, we have a total number of 5,160 families who were listed in the different evacuation centers. In Buhangin, we have a total number of 2,072 families. This covers areas from Jade Valley, Jollibee, Yango Ridge and Tigato, then Santa Marina, kilometer 8 of Tigato, and 14 and 16 of Lapanday, Deca Homes. We also have 23 reported families in Mandog, and we also have from Waan. From Talomo A, classified in Talomo A, because we have two districts in Talomo. We have Barangay 74A, Maa, and Barangay 76. We have a total number of 1,117 families from these areas. From City Poblacion, this covers 6 barangays. We have a total number of 1,808 families, as mentioned by Sir Haldon. And from Lasang, we have 175 families now housed at Navarro National High School and Aleja School. So we have a total number of 5,165 families as of 12 p.m. today. But we are expecting a number of families who have not been reached out yet, because there are some families reportedly have been trapped in Jollibee and Jade Valley, and some in San Rafael. So we have our incident post command or evacuation center at the different evacuation centers. So we expect by this afternoon at 5 p.m. We expect either the number will be less or increasing the number of some specified evacuation centers.